Hello, everyone. Well, uh, Before we dive into our discussion, let's quickly introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Zaki Al Hassani Ihsan.
Hello, bro. I am Ahmad.
Hi, I'm Santi Krami Sofianti and I'm Rishi. Today, our group is going to talk about computer science, specifically looking at how it shaped the story and study of web.
That's right. When we talk about computer science, we can't ignore the World Wide Web. It all started back in 1989 when Tim Berners-Lee proposed a global hypertext project while working at CERN.
It's crazy to think that between 1991 and 1993, the web was basically just the tech-only pages. You could only see them using a simple line mode browser. There, there were no graphics at all back then.
Everything changed in 1993 when the Mosaic browser was created. It was first theme graphic. Elements like image and were actually integrated. First, things were growing so fast. The W3C was formed in 1994. Their goal was to develop common protocols to ensure interoperability so single company could control the whole web with their own.
But companies still fought for control. In the late 90s, we had two browser wars between Microsoft and Netscape. While they were fighting, web design actually evolved really quickly because of the competition.
I found funny. I found a funny in the South. Back then, designer used HTML tablets to create a complex layout. Even though tablets were supposed to default data, they even used path in the sources. Back then, blank spaces give images just to keep the layout from collapsing.
Thanks, Thankfully, CSS was introduced first in 1996 to handle the presentation layout. It allowed HTML to focus on being semantic and improve web accessibility. We also have to mention Flash, which came out in 1996. It let designers make animations that HTML couldn't do at the time, so you need a plugin to use it.
Now we have moved into the era of HTML5 and CSS3, even though HTML5 technically refers to a new version of HTML. Most people use it to describe a whole suite of modern standards, including new JavaScript APIs.
So, looking at this history, we can see that websites in each part of computer science. It covers everything from graphics, design and interface, design to user experience, and CEO.
Exactly, it's moved from static to a massive part of our everyday lives. I think that covers the main evolution of our topic. Let's make sure we keep practicing our pronunciation and fluency for the final submission.
For sure. Good luck to us all. That's it from our group. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.